Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2013 on a 63 plate, wheelchair adapted Peugeot Partner TP Horizon. Converted by Allied Vehicles. This vehicle has got just 9,300 miles on the clock. As you will see from the short video, the vehicle, as is with all of our vehicles, is in grade A condition. Comes with a full service history direct from Motability. Been serviced on a regular basis as manufacturer specification, which is part of the agreement with Motability. It's a 6-speed EGC automatic. Carry a few of these in stock, manuals as well. About 25 WAVs altogether. Generally these Citroen Berlingo, VW Caddy Maxi. This is the Allied conversion, so it's got the 3 rear seats as original, so it can be used as a standard 5-seat vehicle, and just by tipping and folding the back seats out of the way will make room for the wheelchair. Seats up to 3 people plus the wheelchair. Comes with a fold flat ramp, which is pretty much standard with an Allied Vehicles 5-seat conversion. 4-point securing on the wheelchair, 2 at the front which are electric and 2 rear which are manual, and the electric winch which is the yellow webbing you can see there. With rear parking sensors, air conditioning, cruise control, paddle shift change also. Rather change similar to the racing cars. If you want to pop along and see this vehicle, you can do so. We're at Cooling Road service station in Wainscott near Rochester in Kent. Postcode's ME2 4RL. Give us a call on 01634 716 911. We're happy to help you discuss finance if you're looking for finance. We'll send you over a quick quote. Once you've filled out the application at your leisure, we'll have an answer back in a few minutes. Taking part exchange as well. Doesn't have to be wheelchair adapted. We'll take any vehicle part exchange, and we'll also always get the best price for you, because we don't retail your car. So we know that we're doing the best by you. If you want to have a look at this car or any of our other cars, they're available on our website www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. If you're a taxi driver, you can go straight to our taxi stock page, which is www.premiertaxisales.com. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.